This is how we make a sushi burger.
This is a sushi burger. Let's reverse engineer it.
Each one is made fresh to order.
I picked up the sashimi grade fillet from Osaka Market. Slice it thinly.
You like it.
They didn't explain how they made the buns, but these head buns should be perfect. They're already bun shaped. Beautiful.
Cucumber.
Set our cucumber slices.
Kani mix.
Spicy kani salad is imitation crab with kewpie and sriracha. I'm going to try my best to match their color. Looks to be more sriracha forward.
Fresh salmon.
Let's place our salmon sashimi slices.
Thinly sliced avocado.
These avocados aren't fully ripe. I can never figure out how to do this. I like seaweed salad. I'm gonna put a little extra.
Eel
Spicy mayo.
sauce.
And some eel sauce.
And then we decorate the top bun with sesame seeds.
Decorate the top bun with sesame seeds.
Voila! Our sushi burger.
I think that's a pretty successful reverse engineering. Wow. Let's give it a taste.
This thing is massive.
You know, I really like the taste of it, but it's a huge mess to eat. I can see why they didn't show themselves eating it. Flavor-wise, it hits all the right notes for a sushi roll. The salmon provides a rich, savory flavor, while the spicy kani mix adds a hint of heat and some sweetness. The cucumber slices offer a refreshing crunch, while the avocado provides a creamy and buttery texture with a mild nutty flavor. Seaweed salad adds a briny and oceany flavor with a chewy texture. Spicy mayo and eel sauce ties it all together with a tangy and slightly sweet kick. 10 out of 10 on taste, but a 1 for practicality.